Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent the soccer training mat and a ball return for soccer. Now this is a nice, durable, thick mat that is really cool because it's got all of the different motions for someone to be able to practice their soccer training for dribbling and passing and moving, balance, stability, all of the really nice things. It's got a non-slip grip on the back. So this would be great with winter coming up. He can actually practice inside with this mat just to be able to work on all of his skills. So I'm going to bring you in here so you can see the mat and just how great this is to be able to work on your foot placement and your stepping. So if your kid isn't quite tall enough, maybe they don't go all the way up, and as they get bigger, they hit all the different areas, but it actually has different numbers on here to be able to train and make your mind kind of move to the different numbers. But of course, you can just dribble the ball however you're wanting to, but you've got this nice little mat to be able to work with and improve your skills. Now it also comes with this nice belt loop that you actually just put around your little waist here, and then you can attach the ball on. And what's great about this is it actually will then allow you to play kick by yourself without that ball going everywhere. So this part attaches onto your ball. So you just take the different Velcro pieces, and then we're just going to strap the ball onto here. So then he will be able to play kick without having to run after it or have an opponent to be able to play with. So now I have the ball on here. It's a nice elastic cord, so he can sit here and play. The ball just comes right back. So this is a nice way to be able to practice your kicking as well, without having to chase after it. And he can play this inside on those nice cold days, still getting your exercise and running around. This is a nice little set for any soccer lover.